To remove the inner trim of the tailgate, first open the rear window. With a plastic wedge, undo the two side panels on the D-pillar. The cover of the upper sill can be levered out. Then, take hold of the windowsill in the middle on the bottom edge and take the rubber off all the way around the frame. In the windowsill, there are 4 screws that all need to be unscrewed. Now carefully close the window and then open the tailgate. At the sides, the interior trim is placed over 2 large locking lugs. Pry the plastic off on both sides. The trim is secured to the metal with plastic clips. Unclip these carefully. Before the entire trim can be removed, first disconnect the 2 electrical connectors for the lighting and the tailgate closing switch. Now you can remove the entire trim.